Hello friends and welcome to the video number 41 for the HTML and CSS series. And well, in this video we're gonna talk about how to use the two buttons. One is the submit button and the other one is the reset button. And well, basically just to follow how we are be working, I have created another field set and then I put another legend. This legend is proceed or restart. And then I have a couple of labels, and then the first label, it just says, are you ready to place your order? And I have a break because I want to display the button below the label. And well, this is the first button. As you can see, I don't have a closing tag, it's just the input. And then the type is going to be equal to submit. And you can change the value if you want. If you don't put this value, it will just display submit on the button. In this case, just to show, well, I have changed the value and I want to display proceed. I have another break because I want the label to go below this submit button. And so the other label just says, or do you prefer to start all over? And then another break, and the next input button, it's gonna be, the type is reset. So it's gonna be a reset button. And again, I'm just changing the value to restart. So it's pretty simple. And let's launch this in Chrome. And well, again, I can feel here the whoop. Well, it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want flour tortilla, bistec. I want green salsa and onion. And I'm gonna pay in cash. Here, well, you can type whatever you want. And first, I'm gonna click on the proceed button, which is the submit button. So just click here. As you can see, the user form resets. But just take a look here in the address bar. You can see it says username equal Rafael, pass equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The type of tortilla, it's F. The field is B. I'm asking for an extra 2 equals green and extra 3 equals onion. So basically, I'm seeing some of the values that we have been placing in the user form. And well, basically the submit button, what it does, it sends the information to a server. So this submit button is especially, or is intended to be used with a programming language like PHP, so that we can send this information from the user side to the server side. So with this information, we basically can do some things on the probably a database is stored on MySQL or another type of database management system. And then PHP, what it does is it just create another web page and send it back to the user. And well, we probably will display like the Taco Amigo ID and some details about the order and the method of payment that they choose, some of things like that. Well, I'm just gonna go back to have again all my selections. And well, that's what the submit button does. Now I'm gonna hit the restart button, which is the reset button. And well, you're basically just gonna see that everything is gonna be restored to the default. Let's put something in there. So just clicking here, and as you can see, everything is cleaned up. The corn is selected, the trompo is selected because, well, those are the default that I chose. This is cleaned out and the credit card is showed again, and this is completely cleaned. So that's basically what the restart, well, I'm sorry, the reset button do. I just changed it. Instead of showing reset, I'm showing the restart. And well, we have already seen what the submit button does. And well, I think that we have basically covered in this, or up to this video, where I cover all the basics about HTML and CSS for make websites or web pages. And I guess I'm just take a look to see if I'm not forgetting anything basic to show on these videos. If not, I guess I'm just gonna try to show you what to do next or how to put yourself online. It's gonna be a little hard because I don't have an actual website right now on the internet, but I'm just gonna see if I can show you somehow where you can go and what you need to do to just put your websites or your web pages available to the world for, on the internet. So I guess that's pretty much it for now. As always, thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next video.